King Slitting coil banding line integrates various machines such as coil handlers, coil carts, wrappers, strapping units and stacking machinery, simplifying the transition from slitting coil production to storage. The machine can be adjusted to accommodate different coil sizes, weights, and shapes, ensuring a perfect fit and minimizing waste. In order to improve the safety and efficiency of steel coil packing machine, King Slitting has designed the coil packing line to manage the steel coil handling problem with an effective solution, avoiding the safety hazards and time costs caused by manual handling of steel coils. It can be used in combination with a slitting machine to form a complete solution for coil processing equipment, from slitting to packaging. King Slitting provides customers with customized steel coil packaging systems to meet specific packaging needs. King coil packing line is highly flexible and can be compatible with many different types of packaging materials to meet the needs of different industries and different customers. Whether it is ordinary steel strapping, plastic strapping, or the use of advanced protective layers, such as moisture-proof film, pressure-resistant materials, etc., King steel coil packing machines can be perfectly adapted to ensure that your coils are best protected during transportation, storage, and subsequent processing. Customers can choose the most suitable packaging materials according to the material, specifications, and required protection level of the actual production coils to ensure the best protection effect of the products. The coil packaging line can be used in combination with the slitting machine. Just now, we introduced the coil packaging line. Next, King Slitting will show you the working process of the slitting machine. The King slitting machine is fully automated in production, with a maximum speed of up to 200 meters per minute. It not only operates at high speed, moreover, the precision processing of coil materials can be equipped with trimming and belt tension stations, effectively enhancing the accuracy of the slitting machine. King Slitting can provide a complete solution for coil processing equipment. For any needs, please contact King Slitting.